Good afternoon, everyone. Bridget Krause here. We are in Atlanta, Georgia, and we're getting ready to jump on a plane and come to Mission, Texas. We are so excited for our workshop that we're doing with the Mission Chamber tomorrow, and we're going to work on communication skills. But we're not only going to work on communicating, we're going to work on connecting. Whether you're standing in a boardroom or you're standing on a stage, or it may even just be with your friends and family, we're going to work on how do we come to the table transparent and authentic and able to connect with our audience, but remain professional and articulate. We're gonna have a blast. We've got some superstars that are gonna be sharing their stories in the room with us tomorrow. Come, be willing to be open and ready to play full out and be fully present in the room with us as we work on this amazing workshop together. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Go and have a beautiful day.